DIY plans for hose reels. Often a gardener finds that a hose gets tangled or can't unroll easily. Sections of the hose pinch or twist up. Hose reels prevent these inconveniences by making it easy to roll up or unroll a hose every time you use it. Hose reels are simple devices that in essence are nothing more than a freely rotating axis about which the hose can revel and unravel. The key is to attach the reel to something stable. This simple hose reel DIY is cheap and can be made in an hour so long as you have the right tools. Things you will need: 2 PVC pipes, 1 foot long, 2 inches hollow. Circular saw. Scroll saw. Epoxy. 5 feet by 1 inch dowel. 1 foot by 6 inch wood plank. Exterior wood finish. Application brush. Shovel. Cut the wood plank in half so that you have 2 1 foot by 6 inch planks. Use the scroll saw to cut a circle through the center of each that is 2 inches in diameter. This action gives you the 2 ends for your reel. Apply the exterior finish to all the wood components in this project, including the dowel, according to the instructions on the finish you're using. Brush an epoxy around the edge of one of the PVC pipes and insert the wood plank over it. Turn the PVC upside down with the plank resting on the ground and repeat the process for the other side. This action creates a simple reel. Allow the glue to set according to the instructions for the glue you bought. Dig a deep hole, 1 foot or deeper, near your hose faucet. Insert the dowel straight up into this hole and cover it again with the dirt you removed. Press the dirt flat around the hole so that the dirt is dense and level with the rest of the yard. Slip the PVC pipe that has no implements attached to it over the dowel and let it rest on the ground. Now slip the reel on top of this pipe. This action places the reel higher up from the ground and allows it to freely turn. Connect your hose to your outdoor faucet and wrap your hose around the reel. The hose should rest on the lower plank until you're ready to use it. Tips warnings. Cut a 1 inch wide notch in the plank of wood for a place to hold the head of your hose when you're not using it. Use a metal dowel instead of a wood one for longer durability.